Application of DC motor. As you know, we are having different kinds of motor. First one is the DC shunt motor, right? So basically in the DC shunt motor is its speed is constant, fairly constant we can say, or it is having medium starting torque, ना बहुत ज़्यादा and ना बहुत कम. Okay, so basically this DC shunt motor will use in blowers like the heaters. Okay, we'll use it in fans, you will use it in centrifugal pumps, will use in lathe machine. I think you have done work on lathe machine now in your labs. Hmm? Lathe machine. Then you will have drilling machine. You need to like the all in all these applications we can use shunt motor. Okay. Next one is the motor. In DC series, motor will have high starting torque. Okay, and its speed is variable. Variable speed. And where we'll use it generally in cranes, in conveyor belt. Do you know what is conveyor belt? Conveyor machines? Yeah. Electric locomotive. Okay, elevate. Next one is the next type of DC motor is cumulative compound. In cumulative compound, it would be high starting torque, and these type of machines in rolling mills, punches, punching machine basically, and elevator. Okay, so for different kind of motor we'll use in different applications.